Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door, yeah. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door, yeah. Welcome back to GRRL Cosmetics. Live tutorial from yours truly, Roxana Turnbo. So, computer A went dead. This is, of course, indeed, I think it is, yeah, my first live on GRRL Cosmetics. Computer dead, went dead in the middle of me. Actually, I'm so sorry. Internet cut off the computer. My phone, which was doing the live, went dead. Dead. I have to actually go here in a few minutes, make it to my meeting, and I needed to finish my stuff. And I'm sorry I couldn't do it with you, almost with you, I should say, because all that you didn't see was the application of my lipstick and my mascara, but, oh, and of course my contouring. So, I think I need to blend that in a little bit more. I guess you can see that. Much better. You shouldn't see a line. So the key is to blend, 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 blend. So I wanted to show you, because you did go through my hair curling journey, actually hair straightening, and then we straightened our hair with this. Okay, this is a brush that you can find. It's hairy right now. Whoops. This is a brush that you can find at Sally's Beauty Supply. It turns on, and then you can program it to the heat level. I'm going to turn this off because I'm not trying to straighten my hair again. And then we put these in after we quickly, although here it went really slow and awesome because we chatted a lot and did giveaways. Yeah, we gave away this to Shannon Bates. Woo woo, good girl. And Rika Hendrickson won this gorgeous leopard fluffy skincare makeup headband. What? And so the next step we did was curl our little sections with these. And now it's been about 40 minutes, a little more. We're going to take them out live. So I'm going to show you this imperfect, perfect curl look. Keyword, perfect but imperfect curl look. So here we go. Oh, and before I take them out, I wanted to show you. Wait, where did it go? Oh. These are the steps. So, sorry. There we go. There we go. See? Step 1. This is your parting. Step 2, you twist and you curl it around the foam curl. See? And then this is step 4, you lock them in. Let's do this. La da da. What? How cool is that? How cool is that? Yes! Yes! These you could buy on Amazon if you want the link. In fact, I probably will post a link in the comments. It is an affiliate link because, hello, I'm giving you the suggestions and they are worth some time or some value. Wink, wink. No, I'm just a hustling boss babe. What are you? So, I will provide the links to all the stuff I've used today. Except my makeup is my link. And that is not found on Amazon except on my website that's under construction. Look at that. Seriously, guys, I think my life just changed. I'm not even joking. I mean, look at this. Do you know that I'm naturally curly? But there's nothing like that soft, straight curl look from the movies, right? That's not how my hair looks. Do you know how much time I have spent in my entire 18 years of cosmetology trying to achieve that look without burning my hair? Well, let's say I'm 36 and I started doing hair when I was 16, legally 21. Yeah. So this has dramatically changed my life. Look at this. Look at this. Soft. And of course, I'm going to brush them out. You will see. These are soft, beautiful curls without having to ruin my hair. What? This is so cool. And I didn't have to sleep in them. Do you know that sucks? It sucks to sleep in curlers. This is so cool. What do you think? What? Oh my god, how cool. Am I curling? I'm curling it? You know about this is that you have to make sure that you're following that curl, girl. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Seriously, I look hot. You don't even have to tell me. Wow. Wow. Of course, I'm going to run my fingers through this, and I'm not going to do my bangs yet. So now, just run your fingers through it, and it should be this pretty, sexy curl look, like, no lie. Like, who did your hair, bitch? Tell me who did your hair. Look at how beautiful I look. I mean, what? And then see, you take the twisties, kind of uncurl them, and there you have it, that soft curl look that makes you look like a movie star. Hi guys, what's up? I should have been an actress. Yes, I should have. What? What? Look at this. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, guys, come on. How can you not want to do this at home? And so I want to hold some curl, like curl, more so than just not curl. And I am going to do the one here. Ooh, I just sprayed my face. Woo! Nothing worse than that. I like to take my little mini hairs and just push them in. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door, yeah. Say you'll remember me, standing in a nice dress, looking at the sunset, babe. Red lips and rosy cheeks. How beautiful. I don't care. I love it. Uh-oh, one of my tapes is sticking out. That's not a pretty sight. And that's because, there we go. There we go. Beautiful look that you could do for your office job, whatever you do. I just gave you the secret key to looking like a fucking movie star every single day. And no, I will not apologize for my language. It is my show after all, and you're in it. What? Like, come on. Let me show you. Let me show you what I look like. See if you could see me. Yes, you can. Standing in a nice dress, watching the sunset, babe. See? Yay! Guys, I hope you enjoyed my very separated, segmented, interrupted live tutorials on a out the door look. Like a celebrity, fierce movie star, but better yet, fierce you. Do it all as you with your natural beauty enhanced. Yes, you can. Self-care and self-love changes the world around you. First, it begins with you, and then everything else. Be fierce, be smudgeless, be transfer free, and only share GRRL vibes. Grr. I love you so much. I love you. Therefore, love yourself and love others.